What's up guys, and welcome to the fourth tutorial of programming in C using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about basic arithmetic expressions, so subtraction, multiplication, division. That's it, yeah. Okay, let's start. Int A equals 100, int B equals 2, let's have addition. %i plus %i equals %i. Okay. Or we could just get rid of these for 1 minute and say A plus B. Also declare something like result on the top. There you go. Unused variable. It's doing that because we haven't put in a formula. That's the problem. There you go. If I copy this, put that there, there you go. Yeah, it's all correct. If I do just copy all of that again, put all of that here and just change it to subtraction. This time I'll be less confused. There you go. The first one should give us 102. The next one should give us 98. Probably doing for a third one. Copy all of this. Paste that there. Division. Yep. There you go. Probably do another one. So if I do this, just make it neater. The next one will be multiplication. Using the asterisk. Okay, so we wrote a program that declares a couple of variables, makes A equal to 100, B equal to 2, also declare result, and then we gave the formulas here. The first one's here, second one's here, third one's here, fourth one is here, and now we're just printing out the results. So let's execute that. Hopefully we should get 102, 98, 50 and 200. Yep, that is correct. Yep. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.